Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Python. So today I'm going to show you how to make a combination of 1 to 4 numbers so that you can crack any number digit password on any device with 4 or 5 line of Python code. So without getting late, let's get started. So first of all, we will make a function called com which will inherit from L. L basically means list of a number, and now we are going to use for loop for I in range 4, because we are going to know the combination of 4 numbers, so we will put here 4. Instead of 4 we can write 5, 6 or anything. So let's copy it and paste here 4 times. So now we will use print function to print all the combination. Print L I comma list J comma list K comma list L. And now let put the all 4 numbers in a combination function. Com 1, 2, 3, 4. So our program is ready to execute. So let's press F5, and these are our 4-digit combination. So you can use all these 4-digit combination in your any mobile digit password. So as you can see, these are all 4-digit combination which helps you to crack any 4-digit number password. So goodbye, and we will meet in a next video.